Next we are having uniform motion. So what do you mean by uniform motion? A motion of an moving object is said to be uniform if it covers equal distance in equal intervals of time. How? For example, see this example first. This car is moving, then again it come to this point. Afterward, this come to the last point here. Fine. So what is happening here? Firstly, car is there on this point where distance is 0, time is 0. Means car has to start at this point where distance is 0, time is 0. So after 5 seconds, car covers 20 meter. After 5 seconds, this car covers 20 meter. Again, after 5 minutes. See here, 5 seconds is there, then 10 seconds is there. What is the gap between these two times? Gap is 10 second minus 5 second. That is gap is of 5 second. So after again 5 second, it covers how much distance? Again you can see distance here is 40 meter. Here distance is 20 meter. So it covers how much distance? 20 meter again. So when object is moving same distance in equal intervals of time. Here also you can see when car is at 0 second, in 5 second it reaches at point B. This is point A, this is point B, this is point C. In 5 seconds, it reached at point B. And how much it covered? It covered 20 meter. Fine. So here in 5 seconds from A to B, in 5 seconds car covered 20 meter. Again from B to C, it takes 5 seconds only to cover 20 meter. So when object is moving and object is cover equal distance in equal intervals of time, that motion is known as uniform motion. Clear? Might be this is clear to you. When object is moving, when object is covering equal distance in equal intervals of time, that is known as uniform motion. But uniform motion always takes place along a straight path. Fine. Next we are having non-uniform motion. So what do you mean by non-uniform motion? The motion of an object is said to be non-uniform if it covers unequal distance in equal intervals of time. Unequal distance, see for example, this car is firstly here, then it comes toward point B, finally it comes toward point C. It is coming toward point C now, yes. So now let us see, here from point A, B, then point C. From point A to point B, how much time it covers? Here it is 0 second, here it is 5 second. So what is the time covered here? 5 second. Here it is 0 meter, here 30 meter. So here it covered 30 meter. So this car covers 30 meter in 5 second. Now see from point B to point C. From point B to point C, how much time it took? 5 second to 10 second. Means how much gap? 5 second gap. Then it covers 30 meter to 50 meter. How much distance it covered? That is 20 meter. Now you can see in 5 seconds, firstly car is covering 30 meter. Then again in 5 seconds, but now it is covering 20 meter. Might be in between traffic is there, that is why distance covered is less. So non-uniform motion means when object covers unequal distance in equal intervals of time. Actually time is equal only, but here distance is unequal. So it is known as non-uniform motion.